Okay, here we go. Now that the broken parts have been removed, you can replace the unloader assembly with a new unloader pin assembly. Take unloader pin assembly and coat with some high temp grease, which we already have on this particular pin. You want to make sure you use high temp grease in this application. Okay. Insert into the hole. Push it down slightly with your fingers till it finds the bottom. And there you go. You've got two replaced unloader pin assemblies. Well, actually this one we didn't take out because it wasn't failed. And this one was failed, so we've replaced it. Then you can replace the brass caps onto the pump assembly. Tighten down with an adjustable wrench, and you should be good to go. Take your machine, plug it back into the wall, turn your power switch back on, and cycle test. We'll do that here shortly. Okay, you don't have to be too crazy while tightening up these cap screws. You can basically just snug them up. And once you got them snug, they should be good to go. Okay. Okay. Now that the unloader pin assemblies have been replaced in the head, we should be good to plug the unit back in and cycle test the machine to see if we have normal operation. Let's see. Okay, we're plugged in. Alright, now we can just turn the machine from the off position back to the on position. This is what normal operations sound like in a loaded position. Machine is building pressure. We're at 110 psi. About to unload at 120. Okay, now the pump has gone to an unloaded state, and we're in good shape here. You notice when we manually trigger the pilot valve that we have no offending sound in the on or the off position. Okay, well there we have it. That's unloader pin replacement for a broken unloader pin.